Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you how I plan on uploading my recorded Zoom classes to the portal. And I was just waiting for my senior elective Zoom recording to come in so I could just show you how I'm going to do it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go into my class page and enter the edit mode. And I've decided that I'm going to add it as a link. And I'm going to call it Cloud Recordings from Zoom Classes. And for me personally, I work more out of Google than I do on the portal. So I've created a Google Doc that's called Borders and Crossings Cloud Recordings. And my plan is that every time a class finishes and I get a notification from Zoom, that I can just put the information with the link into this document and then link this document to the portal. So I just got it from today's class. And I need to get the recording that I'm going to share with my viewers and put it in the document. And you could also hyperlink it if you wanted to. I like to hyperlink it and put the direct link as well, just in case there's any confusion on the part of the students. And I can just simply copy and paste the topic that Zoom has created. Oop, just kidding. That was way too much information. And then I just need to make sure it's in Times New Roman 12, but because that's just like a personal preference of mine and that there's no highlighting. So then I get this link and you can make sure that the parents can see it as well. So you just have to change the permissions on this. And then put the URL in the add new link on the portal. So now when I go in, it will take the students to that document that I created and they can review the class. And this obviously works especially well if a student is absent. All right, how's everybody doing? So that's what I've chosen to do. There may be an easier way to do it that someone else has figured out. And I know there's a lot of different ways to do it, but I just wanted to share what I think is going to work best for my classes. Have a good day.